In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple design using Framer. First things first, let's get started by opening Framer. Once you've opened the application, you'll want to open a new page for your design project. The initial step involves creating a frame, and we can easily do this by pressing the F key on your keyboard. This will instantly create a frame on your page. Frames are quite flexible in Framer, allowing for plenty of customization. You can begin by editing the color to suit your design aesthetic. Speaking of customization, one of the key features of frames in Framer is the ability to adjust the radius to your preference, up to a maximum of 70. This means you can give your frame a nice rounded edge or keep it angular, depending on your design needs. Once your first frame is set, let's create another one. Again, just press F to add a new frame. After placing it, change its color by selecting the option on the right side, and let's go for a crisp white color this time. Adjust the radius to achieve the desired shape and add a small frame at the bottom for a bit more complexity in your layout. Simply create this additional frame by pressing F again, changing its color to black, and adjusting the radius as needed. When you're happy with the frames, it's time to introduce some interactivity by inserting media elements. Click on the Insert option located in the toolbar. You'll then want to hover over to Media and select Image to add visuals to your design. Resize the image so it fits neatly within your chosen frame or element. Next, click on Choose Image to select the file you want. In this case, let's find an image for a payment option. By clicking on it, the image will automatically be placed inside your frame, making it part of your design. Adding text is the next step. To do this, click on Layout and then on Text. After placing it on your design, you can adjust the size as needed. Navigate to the text options on the right-hand side, where you can further adjust the size and even change the font style to one that fits your design theme. Personalize it to reflect the look you're going for. For the finishing touches, let's create a button with the label Proceed. Adjust the text size to make it prominent and change the color to white for better contrast. To add a bit of interactive flair, click on the plus sign next to Effect and select Hover. This provides a dynamic response when viewers hover over the button, enhancing the usability of your design. And there you have it. A quick preview of your design is just a click away. Simply hit Preview and hover over your Proceed button to see the effect in action. Thanks for joining me today in creating your design with Framer. Now go ahead and try it out for yourself.